friends, today we are here with another English class. Today we'll learn the uses of at, in, and on. So at is used when we talk about exact time. In is used when we talk about month, season, year. And on is used when we talk about days. The first one is dash 2023. So 2023 is a year. So we'll write here in 2023. The next one is winter. We talk about season. So when it comes about season, we write in. So Eastern day. So we are talking about a day. So when we talk about day, we use on. 9 o'clock means exact time. Exact time. So when we talk about exact time, we use at. Night dash night. We are talking about exact time. So when it is about exact time, we use at. The 1st of May. When we talk about May, we are talking about day. So on the 1st of May. When we talk about days, we use on. So here on the 1st of May, we are talking about the day. So on. Noon, exact time. For exact time, we use at. The next one is July. July is month. So when we talk about month, we use what? In. The next one is Tuesday. We are talking about day. So when we talk about day, we use on. So we'll write here on. And the last one is for you. So please subscribe my channel and do like my video.